Let's go. Pour me no, tell her pour me no. 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 Pour me no. I get you geeked up and you ain't done. Fuck your girl one time and now she's sprung. No, she didn't mean to fall in love. Riding on me so boy, yeah, I got her drunk. Baby, I got something for your tongue. I feel like stop, but I swear you're no punk. Hey, so much right, I should be model. No, it's not no fair comments, but let's see I go on my collar. Just watch the way the money pile up. You know everyone know I am your father. I told a girl hop with her child. She look like Angelica, walk with a tower. She really here, graduated from Howard. Smoke 41, graduated from Sour. My crib's so big compared to a tower. Don't care if you stink, you can't only use my shower. You know you cannot sit on my couch. You need to get some dope and need to get some dough. You said you a dog coverage like you cowards. Spikes on my Louboutins like my name Ross. Tell her for me now. For me now. Tell her for me now. Let's go. For me now. Tell her for me now. What's up, chopper? If it ain't got a drum. I was the man before I can even tell. I ain't even know it. I caught the morning right around my neck. When my chest was noise. You cannot take it, but you better shut. But no, you can't hold it. If you better hold it, then you better blow it. No, no, reload it. And then I came on that front nigga. That boy, you really whoa. We play in the backyard, we use that entrance like it is the front door. I'm sitting behind on the road, this shit right here, it got me slumped though. Whoa, I put that girl right on the top, yo, I put that shit in her gut, yo. Slum, yeah, baby, you know that little nigga, he is so cutthroat. Whoa, I'm pescatarian, but you know them chickens, them fatties get plucked, yo. Whoa, if that bitch, she wanna buck, yo, I made that bitch wanna knock, yo. Yeah, she said she do it for fun, she said that she make a nose. For me now. For me now. For me now. Tell her 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 for me now.